Monday was day 4 of enforcement of the new COVID-19 containment measures along the lakeside region. It is now emerging that the deadly Delta variant, which was first reported in India, has found its way into the community.
One key thing that is worrying us is that the attack rate, which is a measure of the new cases within these counties, has almost gone up 15-fold in these counties.
13 counties that once recorded very few cases of COVID-19 are now seemingly the new hotspots. The counties of Kisumu and Siaya are leading in new infection cases, with the attack rate in Kisumu being of concern.
And what is of concern and of importance, and particularly to those who reside in those 13 counties, is that we have been able to pick out cases of the Delta virus, and it is important for us to ensure that we really adhere to these measures, because we want to prevent community transmission.
In a mitigation meeting with the Interfaith Religious Council led by Archbishop Anthony Muheria, the Ministries of Health and Interior want religious leaders put on the forefront in helping the country address the pandemic.
We asking first and foremost that our religious leaders be still at the front line in terms of the fight of COVID, in ensuring, encouraging, helping all our people and in our congregations to follow those measures that we all know given to us by the Ministry of Health and also in our places of worship.
We are keen on worship, and we want to relook at these measures and see how best we can go forward, advised by our colleagues from the Ministry of Health, to see how we can how fast we can resume worship in the 13 counties, even as we observe the measures that we are advised we must observe to keep our people alive.
With vaccines seen as the endgame in silencing the pandemic, the country is set to receive 358,000 vaccines from Denmark as an effort to boost its vaccination drive. So far, more than 1 million doses of COVID-19 vaccines have been distributed in the country. About 990,000 Kenyans got the first dose, while barely 190,000 have received the second jab so far. Kenya's positivity rate in the last 24 hours stands at 8.5%, with 218 new infections reported. This is from a sample size of 2,577. However, 5 more people have succumbed to the virus, raising the death toll to 3,461. Saada Hassan, KTN News.